The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Open the front cover of the main unit. Insert the Pico laser handle plug into the socket and rotate it clockwise. Insert the diode laser handle plug into the socket and rotate it clockwise. Close the front cover. Place the 808-755 1064 nanometers diode laser handle to the holder, and attach the required treatment head to the Pico laser handle. And then place it on the holder. Remove the caps from the effusion and overflow ports. Attach the funnel to the white hose. Then attach the funnel to the effusion port. Fill water through the funnel. Fill water until it flows out from the overflow. Remove the funnel. Reattach the caps to the effusion and overflow. Connect the power cord. Turn the red button on the front of the main unit half a turn to the right. Insert the key into the keyhole and turn it to the right to switch on the device. Tap Start to access the handle selection interface. Select Pico laser on the screen. Choose 532 nanometers. Settings, energy, 500 mJ, frequency, 3 Hz. Tap Standby to initiate the process. Choose 755 nanometers. Settings, energy, 600 mJ. Frequency, 4 Hz. Tap Standby to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Choose 1064 nanometers. Settings, energy, 700 mJ. Frequency, 4 Hz. Tap Standby to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Select 808-755 1064 nanometers diode laser on the screen. Select the treatment area size as M and skin type as 2. Then tap SHR stack. Settings,
Fluence 45J/CM superscript 2.
Cooling level, 4. Stack 1, 5. Tap Standby to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Select the treatment area size as S and skin type as 2. Then tap SHR. Settings, time, 5 minutes. Pulse width, 50 ms. Frequency, 5 Hz. Grid size, 3 square centimeters. Cooling level, 4. Tap Standby to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Select the treatment area size as S and skin type as 2. Then tap HR. Settings. Pulse width, 40 ms. Frequency, 5 Hz. Cooling level, 4. Tap Standby to initiate the process. Tap Ready to stop the process. Turn the key to the left to power off the device, then remove the key. Disconnect the power cord. To drain or replace the water in the tank, remove the cap from the drainage port and attach a funnel. Remove the cap from the overflow and wait for the water to drain completely. Reattach the caps.